Good evening, folks. Good to welcome you on the line on this call. We have some very
Bonsoir à
exciting things we
tous.
need to share with you.
Vous êtes les
That's why
bienvenus
I've
et
taken the opportunity of
je
doing
suis
it
content de
urgently.
partager
I
avec
didn't want to
vous.
wait until after the trip to Portugal. I wanted to cover these things beforehand so that each and every one could have a benefit and start growing your business. And I want
Et
to
je
say
voudrais qu'on
before
le
we
fasse
start off, I
rapidement
want to
afin
thank
que
Rory
chacun d'entre vous
Townsend
puisse
for setting
vaquer à
up
ses
the call. He's a
occupations.
great guy, does a lot of our video things and all that. And I want to thank our translators. I know we've got a couple. Gabriela is from Cameroon. Thank you very much,
Je veux
Gabriela.
remercier tous les
Alson is
traducteurs.
from Tanzania. He'll be doing Swahili. And Rosa is from Mozambique, and she'll be doing the Portuguese one. So I'd like to thank them for participating. So we're going to get kicked
Merci à
off.
vous tous de participer.
We just want to welcome everybody. I hope you can
Nous
take
allons
some notes
commencer.
or whatever, but I want to tell you something I've never done on the screen before, so people understand where we come from, okay? Alton and I
On n'a jamais fait
started
une
in
telle
this
chose
business. We
auparavant.
had nothing. We had a
J'aimerais que
rented
vous
house.
compreniez d'où nous
We weren't
venons.
broke. We were just
Nous avons
poor.
commencé ce business, nous
Christian was
étions en
6 years old and
location.
Alton couldn't go to work. The youngest one was a year old. So we were really challenged, but we always were
Et quand on
trying
avait nos
ways,
6
and
enfants,
then
et le
somebody
plus
invited
jeune
us
avait
to look
8
at his
ans,
business. And I want
et
to give you a
on se
tip
débattait
today.
pour avoir d'autres sources de revenus et quelqu'un
The
nous a
guy who
poussé,
called me, well, I
nous
say
a
he was old,
présenté
he's
ce business.
65, I was 31, Alton was 25. And anyhow, he called me up. I was in agricultural machinery business, selling tractors, working on them mechanically and doing things. And
J'étais dans
he phoned me
l'agriculture
up
à
and told me
l'époque.
who you was. Now, I'd never spoken to him before, but I knew where he farmed. I knew what kind of machines he had. So I said, can I help you? He said, no, I think I can help you. Would you be
Et il a
willing
dit
to look
que
at a
ce business
concept
va m'aider,
to make a lot of money? It's exactly what he said. I said, sure.
que ça va me
What
permettre
must I
d'avoir
do?
beaucoup plus d'argent.
He
Et
said,
j'ai
I can't
demandé qu'est-ce que
describe
je dois
anything
faire.
on telephone, but I want you and your wife to come to Port Elizabeth. They're actually
Et il m'a
in, and I want to show you something exciting. So I said, look, if you don't tell me what it's about, I'm not going to go. And this
mais-
person gave me a good lesson in this business. Great, if you
et
want
il
to
m'a
go
donné
broke,
une bonne
stay at home.
fondation
Guess
dans ce
what?
business.
Alton and I went. And long story short, we got started. It wasn't easy. We were challenged. We
Et pour
struggled.
raccourcir l'histoire,
When you
nous
get
avons
hold of money
commencé.
today, you start in this
Ce n'était
business
pas
and next to
facile.
nothing.
Il y
Those
avait des
days,
défis.
the rand was stronger.
Il n'y avait même pas
The
d'argent. On a
equivalent
dû
of
faire un prêt.
2,400 US dollars. We had no security. We had a good name at the bank that we paid all our other debts, all our
Nous
higher
n'avions pas de
purchases and
sécurité.
whatever.
Nous avons fait tout ce qu'il fallait pour avoir l'argent. Mais nous avons commencé à temps partiel. Et ensuite, j'ai dû quitter mon travail. Et on a commencé à bâtir le business.
1981 became a vice president, and then Alton and I could
Et on a progressé au
come
fur
to a
et à
functions
mesure.
together, near our functions, but we couldn't work the business, our distributorship anymore. And that's where we were working together. So in 1986, Alton and I left the company and we started from scratch. So it was a challenge, a big challenge.
En 1986, avant de quitter la compagnie, nous avons recommencé à zéro. De quitter un niveau où tu as un salaire fixe chaque mois et revenir à la case départ, c'est un grand défi. Et j'ai dit, je vais trouver comment faire prospérer ce business. J'ai rencontré des gens d'Amérique qui faisaient ce business dans le Kentucky. Et pour raccourcir l'histoire, j'ai commencé à parler avec ces gens-là. Je n'avais pas d'argent, mais je rends grâce à Dieu à l'époque qu'il y avait les cartes de crédit.
when I got there, I bought a leg from there to Raleigh in North Carolina. These people had me stay in a room with other guys. There were
Ces
nine of
gens-ci
us
m'ont
were there,
aidé
8
à
other
rester dans une
Americans and
chambre
myself. The entire weekend cost me
pendant tout le
$15
week-end.
US, which I couldn't afford any more than that. I slept on the floor.
J'ai dormi au sol.
The whole 9 of us. But anyhow, it went on the whole weekend.
Nous étions 9 dans cette pièce-là.
They had a band there as
Ça
well.
s'est
They
passé tout
played
le
in
week-end.
between like we do in the Eagle team. And Sunday morning they had praise and worship.
Et dimanche matin, il y avait louange et
And an
adoration.
altar call, and I went forward
Et l'appel à
and
l'autel et je
gave my
suis
life to
allée.
the Lord. I said, Lord,
J'ai donné
what
ma
I
vie au
see
Seigneur
here,
et j'ai dit,
I
Seigneur,
will do in Africa. And that's how the Eagle team came, went back
c'est
again, the
ici ce
same
que
old
j'étais
group
venu
of
faire en
one leg
Afrique.
to London or whatever. And I've made several trips to the States after that, to different functions over there. So you see what I was blessed with. I knew our business.
C'est comme ça que j'ai commencé à prendre des conseils pour voir comment ça se passe ailleurs.
American, you see. So a lot of people try and take ideas from America and put it into Africa. It doesn't work. You've got to understand how
Parce
it
que
works.
plusieurs personnes essayent de prendre la manière dont ça se passe en Amérique pour appliquer en Afrique et ça ne marche pas. Donc, j'ai cherché à savoir comment ça marche et c'est là qu'on a commencé l'équipe des aigles. Et je vais vous montrer ce qu'on a eu à faire, ce qu'on a utilisé pour avancer.
Well over 100 PV worth of products and exciting. People got started and we had them open all their products and use it. That's why I recommend. You cannot build this business with a single product. You need a
Vous ne pouvez pas bâtir ce business avec un seul produit. Vous avez besoin d'une multitude de produits pour cela. Et nous allons arriver à cela.
And started growing the business. And that was October 87. August 91, we were 5
Et en
diamonds.
91, nous étions 5 diamants déjà par la grâce de Dieu.
Sort of magic. We're not. We're just very humble people that the Lord has blessed. And that's it. It's not, we don't do it for anything else. And that's important. Now, those who don't know Alta and I, Alta's now 77 years young and I'm 83. And neither of us have any medication. We thank the Lord for that, and also our Neo Life products, right? That we are in good shape, fit, and nothing, and we fit. So
et nous sommes en bonne santé. Nous n'avons pas été malades depuis de nombreuses années. Nous rendons grâce au Seigneur pour cela.
Not many were in South Africa, mainly in Americas and Australia and all that. And we built it basically with our golden products range, our home care range, right up to 5 diamonds. So
et nous sommes montés donc doucement jusqu'à 5 diamants. Alors, qu'est-ce que ça veut dire dans tout ceci? Quand je suis allé en Amérique, j'ai examiné plusieurs entreprises, examiné plusieurs pour savoir comment ils ont fait. Pour y arriver, j'ai pris le temps d'examiner. Pour identifier qu'est-ce qui marche et qu'est-ce qui ne marche pas. Et Neolife ne nous a jamais abandonnés.
We had back orders sometimes, but it all came online again. The incredible company, corporation. You have Jerry Bradfield, the founder. You have Kendra, his daughter. She's a CEO. She must be about 34. I'm not even sure of that, but she's an incredible person. We really admire her. Then the chief officer of operations in Marco Taylor is South African, but he lives in America.
Et Neolife a toujours été avec nous. Jerry Bradfield, Kendra et tous les autres, tous les pays dans lesquels Neolife se trouve aujourd'hui. Ce n'est pas quelque chose qui a commencé en une nuit, c'est un business dans lequel tu peux commencer et avoir un avenir.
And it's not saying it's just going to die when we move off, right? We want to leave it in such a way because that's the kind of business
Nous voulons
Neolife has.
quelque chose
So
que nous
I
allons
encourage
laisser
you,
après nous
don't
et c'est
look at
ce
it
genre
from
de
a
business
pocket
que
money
Neolife
business.
est.
Doesn't matter how small you
Pas un
start,
business
doesn't
juste
matter
pour
how
te
little
mettre,
you
pour
do
te
in the
donner
beginning.
l'argent de poche,
Start
mais
thinking
un business
big,
qui bâtit
incredible things. We
un
never knew
héritage, quelque chose que
what I
tu peux
know
laisser
today and what could happen in this
après toi.
business when we started. We only thought about making a little bit of money extra, and that's all, right? We thought of nothing else. So I just want to share a couple of things with you about the future. The
Je vais
future
vous
is
parler juste de
exciting. I am really, Alton and I
quelques petites
are
choses.
fired up. Just about 2 months ago, we reset our goals, our dreams. I want to tell you what our awards for our dreams
Venir et
are.
radieux.
We've got exciting things and that we've planned for ourselves. We've set steps. How many of our
Nous
people
avons
to
des choses
develop?
très
How many
merveilleuses
diamonds we want
à
in our
développer.
businesses? We've got goals for each and every one of you listening in. I just hope
Nous
you
avons
put
des
a
buts
goal
à atteindre.
and listen to this recording and do something for yourself because I'm really excited about the future and where it's
Et
going
je suis très
and where we're
enthousiaste
headed,
par
right?
rapport à
And
l'avenir vers lequel nous nous
Alton,
dirigeons.
I've just come back a week ago from a Cameroon, Togo, and Ghana trip.
Je suis
That's
rentrée de cela
exciting.
une
There
semaine
are
du
challenges,
Cameroun, du
but
Togo.
that's fun. I enjoy challenges. Challenges
Il y a
make
des
us strong,
défis,
they keep you
mais c'est
positive.
amusant.
We look for
Moi,
good
j'aime
in
les
every
défis.
situation. Nothing is
Ça
bad
nous
here, right?
améliore dans chaque
Attitude.
situation.
Thank the Lord for it. Okay. Now the
Et
next thing is
quand
I
on fait
want to
face aux
share
défis,
with
on
you,
rend
right?
grâce à Dieu pour
The
cela parce
most
qu'ils sont une
important thing
opportunité.
we had to do, and I think you'll have to do it too, is personal development. They gave us
Maintenant, la
books
chose
to
la
read,
plus
or
importante
actually
que vous avez
recommended
à
books
faire,
to
c'est le
read.
développement
And they even
personnel.
told me I was
On vous a
reading
donné des
one
livres,
page at night
des
before
livres
going to bed or
recommandés
whatever.
qui vous ont été
And
donnés pour
that's
lire.
how we started off way back in August 73 with books and different things they gave. We had some audio recordings. They were cassette tapes.
Des
No
livres à lire,
CDs
des
those
audios à
days.
écouter.
So we started listening to these things. We were hungry to develop. We
Donc, nous
were
devons,
sick and tired of being
c'est comme
broke,
ça qu'on a
sick and tired of
commencé.
not having.
Nous étions, nous
So
avions
we
faim,
were
nous
just,
avions soif de
we've
ces
done that.
choses.
We still
Nous n'étions pas
live the
fatigués
basically
d'apprendre.
the same, Alton and I. You come to our home, there's nothing different. We're just regular people and really regular. I can
Nous
tell you
n'avons
that.
rien de différent
Okay, so
de vous. Nous sommes juste des
the
personnes
next thing is
régulières, des
personal
personnes
development.
ordinaires
Work on yourself.
qui ont
So
soif
things
de
will
se
change.
développer, qui ont
You've
soif
got to
d'apprendre.
change. For things to get better,
Si vous voulez que
you've
les
got to
choses
get better.
changent,
I'm
vous
talking
devez
about your
commencer par
health,
changer.
your
Si vous
mind,
voulez que les choses
your
s'améliorent, vous devez
exercises, your
commencer par vous
body.
améliorer vous-même.
If you're
Je
going
parle
to
de
be in
votre
this business
corps,
long
votre
term, you must
santé,
look after
tout.
yourself. Can I tell you
Si vous
something?
voulez être dans ce
I'll give you an
business sur le
example
long
later
terme,
tonight.
vous devez
Okay?
prendre soin de vous.
Rory must just remind me. Okay? I'll talk about you later. I will share with you about a lady who joined this business in
Vous
1974.
parlez d'une femme qui a joint ce business en
Her husband had died many years ago. Anyhow, she
1994.
had nothing. She was actually bankrupt. She took 4 months to get the money. She started building a business.
Elle
And
avait
I'll
pris
tell you that
4 mois
story
pour
later,
pouvoir
right? But
obtenir
she
l'argent
died
nécessaire.
at 94, healthy and wealthy.
Elle est morte
And that's
récemment à
exciting. I hope some of you would
94 ans,
like to be there
en
one day
bonne
like that.
santé.
Because we all got a choice.
Et nous
We
voulons
don't
tous
have to
vivre
lie
une
sick.
longue vie comme celle-là, mais
Get
nous
your
avons un
mind
choix.
right. Look after your body. Control what goes in here.
Il faut contrôler,
Check
prendre
what
soin de
you're
notre
eating.
corps,
Don't just
prendre soin
eat
de notre
anything that
pensée,
they're
veiller sur
promoting
ce
out
que
there.
nous mangeons,
Check it out. They've got
veiller
everything,
sur tout
genetically
cela.
modified and this, that. One's just got to be a little bit cautious. You see, your flesh
Faire un peu
doesn't
plus
say I need
attention.
sugar or coffee or ice cream. It's this thing.
Ne
So
pas se
when you can
remplir de
control your
sucre,
mind,
de glace,
exciting things.
de
So
café.
look after that part of your body. Do a little bit of
Alors
exercise.
prenez soin de votre corps, faites de
What you don't
l'exercice.
use, you lose. Okay, it's important to
Ce que
exercise.
vous n'utilisez pas,
So
vous finissez par le perdre.
also your
Alors
mind
mettez
now.
votre corps en
Don't
œuvre.
start thinking of scaling down. Scale up. I don't care how young or how old you are.
Je ne sais pas
Change.
si vous êtes vieux
Get
ou jeune.
excited. Start moving.
Faites de
A lot of
l'exercice,
people I
bougez.
know, they die
Plusieurs personnes que je
40
connais
and they bury them at age
sont morts à
65. Their
40 ans.
minds, they stop being active. Hey,
Je
you
les
start
ai
sitting down, you're
enterrés,
gone.
j'ai plus de 60
I
ans.
encourage you.
Quand tu
Have a
arrêtes
goal.
d'être
You don't
actif,
have
tu
to
commences à
what I'm
mourir.
saying. Keep this brain active.
Tu dois
Okay?
garder ton cerveau
Brain
actif,
doesn't
ton
make
corps
a new
actif,
connection, start
ta pensée
disconnecting. So
active.
be active, be excited.
Les,
Like
les,
God's
les
got a
cellules qu'on
plan for you.
n'utilise pas
And you
commencent
God's got
commencent
potential
à
for you as
mourir.
well. You just need to believe it, that you have
Nous avons
potential.
un potentiel
So you got to
illimité.
shout it. So
Nous devons le mettre en utilisation, nous devons l'utiliser.
Take my advice. Don't budget to downscale your lifestyle. Budget to get it bigger by doing more, by building bigger. And you don't have to worry about this whole thing. You can help more people. You can develop more people just by
Développez-vous de sorte que vous puissiez être capable d'aider les autres.
I'm not going to get into much of that tonight. Now, the biggest thing you've got to look out for dream stealers. Folks, they are out there. They're a bunch of crabs. They want to pull you down to where they are. I had bad habits in my early years.
S'il y a une chose à laquelle vous devez faire attention, ce sont les tueurs de rêves. Les gens qui sont là dehors pour tuer vos rêves. Quand j'ai commencé, il y avait ce genre autour de moi, mais je rends grâce à Dieu parce que j'ai pu m'en éloigner. Parce que ce business m'a changé par l'aide de Dieu. Alors faites attention aux tueurs de rêves. Parmi ces tueurs de rêves, il y a la télévision. Je ne regarde pas la télévision. Nous sommes occupés à changer les vies des gens, à changer nos propres vies. On n'a pas le temps pour la télévision. Alors faites attention. Je regarde difficilement le journal. Je vous dis pourquoi. Je prie parce que je sais qui contrôle le monde. Je crois que Dieu est au contrôle. Je ne laisse pas les nouvelles, le journal me contrôler. Parce que ce que vous écoutez peut vous affecter soit positivement, soit négativement. Même les personnes avec qui vous vous associez. Il y a des gens avec qui vous associez, vous n'irez jamais loin dans la vie. Quand certains me critiquent et commencent à vouloir commencer des argumentations, je ne réponds pas. Il faut deux personnes pour créer une discussion. Donc, c'est important. Une autre chose pour développer ce business, une chose importante, c'est développer un réseau de consommateurs. Parce que les consommateurs sont importants dans ce business. Je vais vous montrer quelque chose. Quand nous commencions au début encore, nous avons montré le plan aux gens. Pas de problème. Les gens disent pas de problème et tout. Et j'ai dit, OK, qu'en est-il de si je viens de chez toi et je te montre comment tu passes ton temps à empoisonner ton corps avec ce que tu manges et je fais la démonstration des produits.
Use margarine in the demo, and you can't believe how LDC gets rid of margarine, which is real sticky on your hands. But what we did, when we went there and we demonstrated all that, they were given.
Et quand nous sommes allés et que nous avons démontré cela, on leur a donné le catalogue de produits. On dit, OK, pourquoi est-ce que vous ne parcourez pas cela et voyez ce que vous voulez commander? Il ne faut pas souvent mettre la pression aux gens. Donc, ils font une commande, ils passent la commande de 1 ou 2 produits.
We just had a whole lot. The company printed them for us. We just got a bunch which we're going to send all over Africa, the people who want it. And one of the Eagle Team people will handle the cost of it. But we're going to set this up, and we're busy with it. Now, this book is incredible. You see, it's got
Ce livre est merveilleux.
Customer's name, got a place for what they want to order and the price.
C'est une sorte de livre que nous avons créé pour pouvoir faire une sorte de catalogue. Le nom des clients et tout, et le produit peut-être qu'ils voudraient payer maintenant. Et s'ils hésitent, je dis, OK, ne vous inquiétez pas. Qu'en est-il si vous faites un dépôt, on met le nom, les détails, on leur donne une copie
as their
Et nous,
receipt.
on en a une
Okay?
autre. Comme
And
une sorte de
so you've
reçu.
taken their money, you've given them a receipt, and then you arrange. Look, when people get their money or when people get their pay or whatever, you arrange to deliver at that time. Now,
Et
seldom
quand
will you
les
have
gens
an order
reçoivent leur
cancelled
salaire ou leur paiement,
or people
on
say, I
part
can't
livrer à
take
ce
it because they've
moment-là.
already given you a deposit. Okay? Now, what it is saying, you go back there, whatever products they've ordered, you re-demonstrate. You dilute it like LDC Serpentine. If you look on the Eagle Team website, we'll show you how to dilute it in 2 5-liter containers. It's incredibly economical, but
Et
not out
quand
of the liter
on
bottle of
part
waste.
leur donner le
You
produit, on fait une
dilute,
sorte
if
de
you have the
démonstration. On leur
courage
montre,
to,
par exemple,
hey, you
comment
build a
diluer le
consumer.
LDC.
Get yourself 2 good quality, new, hopefully, 5-liter containers, and you mark it off. We'll show you how to do it. We've got it there.
On
And you
leur montre
dilute it
comment
for
le
them,
faire.
and you demonstrate
On
to them. Now,
dilue
before
cela
you
pour eux, on
leave their home
démontre.
again, hey, catalog opened up. Why didn't you have a look? All people use household products. Why didn't you have a look what you'd like to order for next month? They're going to save a lot of money. The products are safe. They're not toxic. They're not they're all environmentally friendly. So it's incredible. We use these products way back from August 1973. And that's exciting. So it's important to do that. So now you go back, you give them their products, you open it up, you develop it. You say, hey, while I'm here, have a look what you like to order for the end of the month. They're going to buy elsewhere. And this is now, you're getting there all the time. You're building a relationship with them. They start
On part voir
trusting you.
certaines personnes, on
And
demande,
that's
OK, voici le
important.
catalogue,
You
regarde.
see, most
On
people
leur
just
parle des
sell one
produits, on dit,
product
OK,
and
qu'est-ce
they
que
run
tu
off.
aimerais acheter
And a month later,
à la
you
fin du
phone
mois?
them and say, do you need anything? They say, no. Who wants to buy from someone who's just a hit and run? Am I right? So go there each time you go in, deliver, you leave with an order. Deliver, leave with an order.
Vous partez chaque fois
Deliver,
que vous
leave
livrez,
with order. Now
vous
let's
quittez
say
avec
somebody
une
gets
commande
paid
pour la
round
prochaine
about the
fois.
15th of the month.
Rassurez-vous, à chaque fois
Now
que vous
you
livrez
know
un
at the
produit,
beginning of the
de
month,
faire en sorte de quitter de là
what's the
avec une
order
commande
for?
pour la prochaine fois,
30 PV or
même
40
s'il ne
PV
prend
or 50 or more? I don't know what. So in other words, your month starts off. You already got products you're going to deliver. And that's a good business. You know, we have some people who almost do over 500
c'est un bon
PV
business.
just in the first week of the month with their clients who got paid the end of last month, okay, because they get their money on the last day. So it's in the new month and they take delivery. You get others get paid on the second week of the month or the third week, and you deliver at that time. So in other words, you have a business that's starting to function every week of the month, not the last 2 days like some people leave everything to the end and they run around like a chicken that's got its head chopped off, trying to find this, and now want to. That's wrong. Just build it solidly, build it in a way that those people will become loyal consumers. You'll build a relationship. Some will eventually join your business, maybe. I don't know, just to buy wholesale, but it's also a way of doing it. But this booklet, this retail sales book, will build your business if you're open-minded and disciplined to use it and want to go out of your way to build consumers. We have people who are still buying these products after 20, 30, 40 years from us, right? So it's exciting. If you build that relationship, people will they'll be hooked on our products. So make sure you do a good job when you deliver and you whatever happens there. And if you do it right, you'll have sales, deliveries at every time of the month, and you'll get a deposit each time you
Et si
leave.
vous le faites
They
bien,
get a receipt.
vous
You'll
verrez
get a
que vous
deposit.
aurez
You'll deliver
un
again at that same
dépôt
time. So
et une
every month,
commande
you
pour
already
la
know.
prochaine fois. Que vous avez des
You should not be
consommateurs
concerned about your
fidèles
4,000 PV. That's nonsense. If you did your
dont
consumers
vous
right,
savez
in
qu'ils
place long
pourront
before the month even starts, because you
commander
have orders, you got the money,
pour la
away
prochaine
we
fois.
go. A lot of people, this
Donc,
is
vous
not a
vous
matter of
assurez
stalking. There's no fast way
à
to,
chaque
there's
fois
a right way to do it, not a fast way.
que vous
Many
livrez
people
une
run
commande,
like crazy,
d'avoir une commande
but they
pour la
don't do it
prochaine fois
properly. And they're just like a yo-yo, up and down. And it's more
et de le
efficient.
faire de manière
Really do
appropriée,
it the right way.
sans pression.
Take your trouble, just set your goals. We've shared a lot of things here tonight. I'll always have I always have a price list with me, and I always have
J'ai également la liste de la grille des prix avec moi.
this with me as well. I'll show it to you now. It's how the marketing plan works. This is what the Eagle team developed way back. It was about 89, 90 when we were building a business, and 95, I think a company started packing the kits. We packed the kits up until then. The upline director packed the kits. But anyhow, this is a program we lost on. I'm going to show you a little bit on the board, okay, and show you exactly how it works. And it's really important that you understand it. Now, another thing I want to share with you, this business, hey, let me tell you right now, it's not easy. If this business was
Je vous
easy,
dis
everyone would be
maintenant,
doing it. Okay?
ce
It
business n'est
takes
pas
courage,
facile parce que si c'était
it takes
facile,
commitment,
tout le monde le
and
ferait.
takes personal
Il faut
development.
de l'engagement
It's
et du
incredible business,
développement
and there's no
personnel
limit to this
pour
business.
le
You're
faire.
the only one
Mais
that
c'est un
limits your business
business
by the
merveilleux.
amount you grow, by personally develop, and the way you care for your people. Now, I want to share, I'll get to inviting people now as well, right?
Maintenant, je vais entrer sur comment inviter les gens.
Always make sure you must build a business from the first week of the month. Next is look the part. You know, we're in the nutritional business. We're in the financial.
Rassurez-vous de ressembler à ce que vous vendez. Nous sommes dans un business nutritionnel qui parle de la nutrition. Par exemple, il faut ressembler aux produits que vous vendez.
And we had 3 children, so it was rough. We never had motor cars.
Quand nous avons commencé, nous n'avions pas grand-chose, mais soyez engagés, soyez vous-même et allez avec vos plus beaux sourires.
Who get started and they do saying, but they remain registered and they want to use it. Treat them as a consumer. Treat them as a good customer, give them a discount, even if they buy it from you, doesn't matter. That PV is important to your 4,000. Look after them, right? Then you get your consumers. That's another source. It's a good area to do
Vous
business.
devez avoir
it's important. So always look
vos
apart.
consommateurs fiables, vos consommateurs fidèles.
When I'm inviting people,
Rassurez-vous de fidéliser vos consommateurs. Et ça, c'est une clé. Mais une autre également, il faut savoir inviter les gens.
Believe me, we never went out looking for them. Just by example, people say, hey, what do? I don't talk about Neolife. I say, we go around.
Par exemple, les gens me demandent qu'est-ce que tu fais.
And make money. And say, what's it all about? I said, would you be interested to make more money? I said, yes. I said, yes,
je ne parle pas de Neolife particulièrement. Je vais là dehors, j'aide les gens dans leur business. Et quand ils me demandent comment est-ce que tu fais, je dis, es-tu intéressé à avoir plus d'argent?
I know where I'm going in life. Okay? It's only going to affect you. So in other words, the people that contact me eventually are real serious. Okay? Which is exciting because I don't beg anyone to start. Now, when I approach
je ne supplie personne pour commencer. Quand j'approche quelqu'un là dehors,
I never talk about a business or opportunity, a concept. That's how that guy got me started in August 1973. He spoke about a concept, not a business. Okay? I might not have been interested
connaître
in business,
un concept,
okay?
serez-vous ouvert à découvrir un nouveau concept. Je ne leur dis pas toujours c'est Neolife. Je leur fais.
And then make the appointment. And I never ever mention Neolife at any time in the approach.
Une façon différente de faire.
When I can sit down with them or get them to a business presentation, and at the end, they'll know it's Neolife, okay? So I would never use the name. I'll tell you why. No, I'm not ashamed of the name of Neolife, but I'll tell you why.
Je n'utilise pas souvent le nom Neolife, pas parce que j'ai honte du nom, non. Mais parce que si c'est que tu donnes le nom, nous sommes dans un monde qui est interconnecté, il peut aller taper sur le net et essayer de découvrir par lui-même et tu ne gagnes pas ton prospect. C'est pourquoi je n'ai pas honte du nom, mais pendant que je prospecte, je ne mentionne pas souvent le nom Je parle d'abord de l'opportunité et maintenant quand on finit, je lui dis, OK, il s'agit de Neolife. Donc, soyez sérieux. Ne suppliez personne.
A lot of people just run for an incentive. Alton and I have never done that. We achieve a lot of incentives, but we focus on building the business, okay? And I think it's important that we start understanding that, right? So when we get people started, okay, we want to help them. Now, a lot of people run around and get people started for what it's going to do for them. That is wrong, folks. When we get somebody started, I want to see what I can do for them and help them grow and achieve their dreams.
Nous devons nous focaliser également à développer les personnes. Quand tu aides quelqu'un à obtenir ce qu'il veut, tu obtiendras ce que toi tu veux. Donc, c'est à nous de comprendre qu'il faut développer les autres. Quand les gens commencent le business sous nous, nous avons la responsabilité de les aider à se développer, les aider à se développer, à se connecter aux nouvelles personnes, les enseigner comment développer le business, comment prendre soin des personnes. Nous voulons des personnes qui prennent soin des autres. Nous ne voulons pas juste des gens qui courent après le business seulement, mais des gens qui peuvent prendre soin de développer des autres. Et quand nous développons les autres, nous sommes à retour développés.
That make us look sick, quite honestly. But when you got enough of them, it makes you look good. So don't worry about that. So,
se développer pour devenir un diamant, c'est bien. Mais quand tu te développes et que tu as plusieurs diamants également en dessous de toi, c'est beau à voir. Donc, se développer, non pas seulement se développer, mais penser à développer les gens qui sont sous nous.
Once you set your goals and your dreams, decide if you're prepared to do what it takes. It's not easy.
Une autre chose que nous devons savoir, c'est que quand nous avons un rêve, quand nous voulons faire quelque chose dans nos vies, nous devons nous demander si nous sommes prêts à faire ce qu'il faut. Parce que ce n'est pas toujours facile. Nous devons nous demander si nous sommes prêts à faire ce qu'il faut pour atteindre le rêve que nous désirons avoir.
And if people truly understand this concept of network marketing,
si les gens comprennent vraiment ce concept de marketing de réseau, de bâtir des relations,
we've contacted those people, we talk, we don't talk, we have not contacted all. There are many people that we don't even know. But they're in our business somewhere. If you understood network
nous bâtissons des relations. Il y a beaucoup de business étant aujourd'hui dans le monde. Il y a plusieurs personnes que nous ne connaissons même pas. Mais nous avons développé des personnes qui ont développé d'autres personnes. Et quand on le fait, c'est un concept très intéressant. Tu aides tes nouvelles personnes à développer d'autres personnes et ainsi de suite. Tu l'aides, il aide l'autre qui aide l'autre.
People I think will do the business, but A to J, okay? And then I'll go through that list with them and I'll ask them about each person.
Et quand je parle avec un downline, je lui demande qu'en est-il, je lui parle de sa vie, comment est-ce que tu vas, comme tu es parent, tu as combien d'enfants. Donc, je prends des nouvelles, je cause avec lui de manière personnelle pour établir une relation. Et puis maintenant, je lui enseigne comment se connecter à d'autres personnes. Donc, c'est important quand nous avons de nouvelles personnes de les guider.
because I'll do a couple of them with you, and eventually I will sit back and I want to see you do it and help them have success. Once they got
Je l'aide à
confidence,
développer
you
une autre
develop them
personne et après je lui
immediately.
dis, OK,
And they'll
maintenant je
develop other
m'assois et je
leaders.
te
And
regarde
that's how the
faire.
business grows. It's very, very
Et c'est
exciting.
comme ça que le
And
business
that's the way to
grandit.
build this business. So it's not a me
C'est
business.
comme ça que nous bâtissons ce
Forget it,
business.
right? You're going to develop people, put in the effort, and you'll
Tu
never look
développes
back.
des gens,
So
tu mets les efforts
10
nécessaires.
years from now, if you're around, or
Et si
later
tu le
or
fais
more,
bien,
you'll be
tu vas
excited
voir,
that
tu
you
n'auras
did it,
jamais à
laid
regarder
the
en arrière.
foundation properly. See,
Tu
most
seras
people don't
content
lay
dans
the
10 ans d'avoir
foundation.
posé la
If
bonne
you don't lay it
fondation.
properly, you can go all the
Plusieurs
way up to
personnes
Ruby or higher.
sautent la
But I
fondation.
tell you,
Et
say,
c'est que
by
tu
the
ne mets
way,
pas une
when you
bonne
move up
fondation,
past others, be
tu
very
ne
nice
pourras
to
pas
the
bien
people you meet on
progresser.
your way up. You might meet some
Et
of
s'il
the
vous
same
plaît,
people on your way down.
soyez
Alf and I
gentils
were
quand tu
equivalent Five
soyez
Diamond.
gentils,
Our
soyez
company employed
courtois
us and
envers les gens que vous
employed me in
rencontrez pendant que vous êtes
1978.
en train d'être
And
élevé.
guess what happened?
Parce
We
que vous
worked
pourrez
out in the field,
rencontrer
we
les
were
mêmes
Five
personnes
Diamond and
en
Sapphire Director.
redescendant.
It's good for your ego, keeps you on the ground. So be
Gardez
very
votre,
nice to
gardez
people.
votre
That
ego
people
enterré.
respect you and all that.
Enterrez votre
Don't be a
ego.
big ego maniac.
Respectez les gens. Ne soyez pas
I
quelqu'un
don't
qui a trop
understand why
d'ego.
people have a big ego over nothing. Just
Je ne
share with
comprends jamais
people,
pourquoi les gens
God
ont
will bless you, do it
un
right.
trop gros
Very
ego
simple.
pour rien.
So that's how this whole thing
Soyez
works.
humble et
Okay?
respectueux
So I
envers les
want
gens autour de vous.
to encourage you to really just take your time and do it properly. Decide to do what it takes. Okay? And folks, I want to tell you something.
Donc, je
A
vous encourage à
qualified
prendre du
director,
temps
right?
et à faire ce qu'il faut
Monthly solid is the best
pour
place to get
bâtir
to in this
les
business
gens
because that is
autour de
where
vous.
success really launches off. Okay, it's a launch pad to be a fully qualified director without battling to get 4,000
C'est
every month or
ce qui nous
having a business
qualifie,
that's growing.
c'est ce qui rend le business solide.
Having numerous people being successful on it, right? So it's important that you understand that. So help them get going, help them get solid. And you know what?
Aidez-les à commencer, aidez-les à se développer.
That is where success really starts with. From there, you'll be building other legs.
Et s'ils se qualifient, c'est là que votre succès commence. Quand vous allez regarder en arrière, vous serez content d'avoir bâti ces gens-là. Parce que c'est leur succès qui fortifie les autres. N'essayez pas de prendre de raccourcis parce que ça ne marche pas. Soyez honnête, soyez bon dans votre travail. Si vous savez donner une heure pour être quelque part, soyez à l'heure.
Where we know how long it'll take me to get to, we know what kind of traffic to expect, we know if we're using taxis or whatever, how long it'll take. Make your appointments right that you're never late. People respect that right from the start. So it's very, very important. So it's, you become a qualified, you become successful and you start building a profitable business. Next thing I want to share with you, very, very important, value your time. You know, folks, time is money. I have an attitude. I say to people, I really mean it. I say, you can steal my money, it's not a problem. I can always make more. Just don't steal my time. I can't make more time. So it's important that you value time. It's an asset.
C'est important pour nous de valoriser le temps comme un atout. L'argent peut perdre l'argent et avoir de l'argent encore, mais le temps, on ne peut pas récupérer le temps perdu. Donc, c'est important pour nous de valoriser notre temps.
Number one is decide what you want. Decide.
Il y a quelques points que je voudrais partager avec vous. Premièrement, c'est décider ce que vous voulez. Connaissez-vous. Il faut savoir véritablement là où vous voulez être, là où vous voulez aller. Donc, avoir une connaissance de qui nous sommes et de là où nous voulons aller.
You need God in yourself to achieve it. See, we have big dreams, but we can't do it.
Nous avons de grands rêves, mais nous savons que nous ne pouvons pas le faire de nous-mêmes. Nous avons besoin de l'aide de Dieu pour y arriver.
That was a dream for many, many years. We were already 5 diamonds and we still hadn't achieved it. I kept looking at maps and telling people we're going to have a place where we'll have a conference center. And by the way, we've got a boot camp coming in November. So we train people at lower level, qualified senior managers, how to build up. They actually incredible experience they have there, but we do that, right? We can normally it's with leaders and all. It's easy, accommodate 50 people or more, whatever. It's massive, but it's a lot of fun. But anyhow, we do that. That was a dream. I saw Jerry Brasfield at the ranch in California, and that's where the dream started. Now, when we started talking about it, yeah, we didn't have the money for it. We were broke. But you no harm talking about your dream or dreaming, even if you don't have the money. Just keep talking, start believing, and be
Je
thankful to
dis
God.
ici de
Okay,
ton rêve,
I'm
il
thankful all
faut
the time, and you'll be
connaître
amazed
ton rêve,
that
ce que
your
tu
dream,
veux.
be specific, will eventually
Et
come
quand on
true,
avait le nôtre,
and that's exciting.
on
Now,
n'avait pas
we
encore
live in a
d'argent, mais
country
on
here,
en
and we
parlait, on
bought it
était
in
fiers. On parlait de
1994.
notre rêve, on travaillait
It
vers
was
son
April, if I
accomplissement.
remember correctly,
Mais une chose
and we
également,
paid
c'est
cash
qu'il
for
faut
it.
s'assurer que son rêve soit
I
spécifique.
think it's about
Et il y a un rêve spécifique.
6,000 acres, something like that. And it's a lot of, we just have animals around, wild animals, sometimes right in front of 100 meters from our front fences. There's a drinking hole, and you'll see giraffe there or other antelope there, and it's fun. And Alta and I go for a walk in the mountain every morning. We go at 5 o'clock, and that's fun. Now, that was a dream. I want you to start dreaming. I've got no
Je veux que
education.
tu,
I failed 3
je veux
standards in
que tu
high school
continues
and
de rêver,
and
que
they
tu n'arrêtes pas de rêver.
told me to leave school. So don't worry about that. You see,
J'ai
Albert
quitté l'école
Einstein,
très
a
tôt.
lot of you might have heard of him. One of the
Alors, ne
brilliant
t'inquiète
brains
pas de cela, de ton
up
niveau
in Germany many
éducatif.
years ago. And he says education is not the studying of facts, but educating your mind to think. And that's the biggest thing we've got to
L'éducation,
do
ce
is
n'est
start
pas l'étude
thinking with
des
our
faits,
minds. Don't just
mais
act.
c'est
Think
apprendre à
things
ta
through. Get
pensée
the facts and get
comment
it right.
réfléchir.
So you need to
Apprendre à
know
ton
where you're
cerveau
going.
comment
Believe
réfléchir.
God's put potential in every single person. And believe
Dieu
me,
a mis du
folks, the
potentiel dans
saddest thing
chaque
in life
individu.
is to see people take a potential with them to the cemetery.
Et la chose la plus belle,
Ivan
la
Berg
chose
once
la plus
said years
triste dans
ago,
la
it's the
vie,
wealthiest place
c'est
on
de
earth.
voir
All the
les gens
dreams that were put away in
mourir
the
avec leur
cemetery, and people
potentiel.
never use them,
Miles
never
Monroe dit
believe
de
that they
cela
have
plusieurs
potential.
années que
Believe you got potential. Don't
l'endroit,
worry what
le
anyone
plus
else
riche
says
du
to you.
monde, c'est le
Just believe
cimetière.
it, get
Parce
excited
qu'il est
about it, go
rempli
and
de
do it.
gens
And
qui
that's
sont
important. The
morts
more you
sans
do it,
utiliser leur
the
potentiel,
easier
sans
it'll
croire à
become.
leur potentiel, sans
So
croire
you,
qu'ils pouvaient le faire.
number 2 is now,
Donc, ce
I've
que je veux,
spoken
c'est que
about
vous
your dream.
n'arrêtiez pas de
Number 1 is
rêver,
know
que vous
who you are.
n'arrêtiez pas de croire.
Believe that God's
Donc,
put
j'ai
in you.
parlé
Then
de votre
dream, and
rêve
then start believe in what you're doing. Now,
et
Nehemiah,
maintenant,
you
je
don't
dis
have to,
croyez en Dieu et
folks,
croyez
there's
en ce que
plenty
vous
of
faites.
people out there, plenty of companies will come, and I won't even mention where all, and they say they're just like New Life, only better. The only thing they do better is leave
Parce
town
que,
quicker with your money, right? And somebody ever come to me and say,
parce que
I want
les
to
gens
compare
demandent souvent, il y a
these folks,
plusieurs
there
entreprises
is
comme
no
Neolife.
comparison.
Alors, qu'est-ce qui rend
Neolife is
Neolife
the only
différent?
company in the world that has whole foods, genetically modified, free, not modified, right? And all in incredible environments. There's a lot of tests been done that are valid by independent organization with
Et
that
je dis,
product.
Neolife, c'est la
Things
seule
work.
entreprise au
There's no
monde
question
qui a
about it.
des produits
I said to
qui
somebody the
sont,
other day,
qui sont testés,
I said, call me
prouvés
back in 3
par
days,
par
somebody who's
des
a
grands
customer
scientifiques
for
dans le
Pure
monde.
Vitality and the Shake. I want a phone call from you to tell me how you feel. I told him how. Now, by the
Et je
way,
dis, OK, je
here's
veux
what
que tu
I'm going
prennes
to
tel
do, the Shake.
produit et
I'm going to
après tu
let Jeanette
m'appelles pour
O'Rourke put it
me
on the
dire comment
Eagle
tu te sens.
website, and you can have a look and take it off from there. People don't know exactly how to take it. It just
Et
says
je
with
dis, tu
water,
peux aller
but there's
sur le
a
site
real
et
good way
voir
to
ce
do
qui
it.
se trouve
And there's
dans le
another one,
produit.
how to eat
Parce que nous
correctly.
sommes dans une
Not
génération, les
body,
gens veulent savoir
how to put the
ce
food
qu'il y a
into
dans
your
ce qu'ils
body
consomment.
scientifically so it can digest a lot better. So that's about it, right? So that's available there. So you need to start getting excited about it. Now, another thing is your number
Donc, vous devez
3
être enthousiaste par rapport à
is
ce que vous
start
faites.
setting deadlines. Folks,
Troisièmement, c'est qu'il faut
whatever you
établir
want to
des dates
achieve,
limites.
give yourself
Dans tout ce que vous voulez
a goal
accomplir,
and a deadline
donnez-vous
and run for
un
it.
temps limite.
Run, get
Un temps
excited,
limite pour cela.
but do it right. You see, you don't want to achieve it and come back again to where you were. Achieve it and carry on moving. You see, if you build this business correctly, you start developing these different people.
Et
You
après ce temps-là,
become
vous
a
établissez
emerald
un autre
director,
temps
you become a
limite.
sapphire director. Next one, because you've developed other people, you need another two, okay? That will give you 3 legs. That'll be one ruby director. Now they earn incredible incomes, and that's exciting because they care for people. You could go on, develop another leg. It would be 2 ruby, and you can go all the way up to diamond if you do it correctly. That's important, folks. So make sure you dream and you believe in your dream and you set deadlines. That is so
Donc,
important.
il faut
That
avoir
is
un rêve,
the third thing.
croire en ce que
Number
tu
4
fais et
is
établir des dates
visualize your goal. You
limites.
must actually see it. Folks, this is so important. You see, I can explain something quickly. The thoughts in your head are seeds, okay? When you speak them, you're planting.
Je
So
vais
make
rapidement
sure you
expliquer
only
quelque
speak
chose.
good things
Les,
and
les
what you
pensées
want.
dans
Because
votre
God says,
tête
whatever you
sont des
plant,
semences.
you'll reap 10 and 100
Et
fold.
quand vous
So
parlez,
make
quand vous
sure you're
déclarez, vous
planting
êtes
what
en
you
train
want to happen,
de planter,
not
de
what you
semer.
don't want.
Donc,
See,
rassurez-vous de
I
ne
don't
pas
see
déclarer ce que vous ne voulez
anything
pas
negative about other people.
récolter.
If somebody's
Ne
got a big
déclarez pas de
challenge,
choses
I'll have it.
négatives.
I just pray
Rassurez-vous
for
de
them.
dire,
I'll
de
pray, Lord,
déclarer
put
juste
your
des
hands
choses
upon them. And
positives.
that's it. Then I'm free. I don't get hung up with things like, life's too short. We just need to
La vie est
touch
trop
people and
courte
help them and get
pour se
going.
remplir
It's
de
important,
toutes sortes de choses.
it's important
C'est
that you visualize your
important
dream and see it
de
as if it's
visualiser
already
votre
done.
rêve-là,
That's
de
how we
pouvoir le
feel as
voir comme
prophets.
un avenir
With
déjà
everything else
accompli.
we dream,
Déjà
right?
accompli.
It's important that, and Alt and I, we don't do anything we don't want to do. Isn't that exciting? And another thing is, nobody tells us what to do. We set the goals. We decide where we're going to, who we're going to help, what.
Et de
We
ne pas
decide
donc
that.
semer par nos
And that's
paroles de
exciting,
mauvaises
folks.
semences dans
Don't
nos
do
vies.
things just for the money. Do things for people. And the money will, you see, money is a byproduct of success. It's not success. A lot of people seem to think a lot of money is, no, get control over money. You know, most people, it burns their pockets. They've got to get rid of it. Forget it. Just rather get it out of your head and don't worry about it. So, number 5, make a total commitment. Just commit. You know, you don't have to do it all the time. Alt and I, we built it part-time initially. And when I got
Prochain
started
point,
this business, I used to work
de
overtime for the
rassurez-vous
bosses.
d'être engagé.
Sometimes 10,
Vous
11
pouvez,
o'clock, setting
ne pas
machines,
être, le
never
faire à
got
plein
paid for
temps.
it, doesn't matter.
Plusieurs d'entre nous
When we
avons
got
commencé à
started, I
temps
still
partiel,
worked 8 to 5,
mais
flat out for
rassurez-vous
them.
d'être engagé
And
dans ce
then
que vous faites.
in the evenings, Alt and I worked every evening a week when we could. We worked our business. We traveled. You know, we were far out of town, 80 kilometers. We made a plan. We were hungry. Every Saturday
Nous
afternoon for midnight
travaillons,
training,
nous
we were
rassurons
there.
chaque
I don't
soir
know if it did us any good, but we were committed.
de
We just
travailler sur le
wanted to
business.
succeed. So we were committed, right? We
Nous,
didn't
parfois,
do
nous
it
marchions des
part-time. We wanted to
kilomètres,
really do it. So
mais nous nous
I
engageons,
share
nous
with
étions
you,
engagés.
being open to really go out there. And folks, you know, you're building a legacy for your family,
Vous
your
savez, vous êtes en train de
children, and
bâtir
even
un
your
héritage pour
grandchildren.
votre famille, vos enfants,
And
même
that's
vos
exciting.
petits-enfants.
So I think we need to understand that you're building
Et c'est
something for
très
the
excitant.
future that people can look at and say, thank God you did it. Thank God you
Donc, vous
laid
bâtissez
your life on the
un
line,
avenir pour lequel vous
cared
voulez
for
que demain,
people, and
quelqu'un
cared
puisse
for
dire,
us. So
Dieu
it's
merci,
important,
tu as
folks,
fait
that
ceci,
we
Dieu merci
do
que tu
those
as fait
kind of
cela.
things and go out. Now, I want to cover something tonight
Donc, pour cela,
before I
engage-toi,
close this
engage-toi
meeting.
aujourd'hui.
You know, we had a World Team Convention in Cape Town this year. They had over 500 people, qualified World Team members from out of Africa in Cape Town. Now, Cape Town's a great place to go, by the way. I said to somebody, Cape Town, not South Africa. Everybody who works in Cape Town, it really is good. South Africa is great, but Cape Town's even better. That's in the Western Province. Anyhow, and then I set a goal. In May next year, we're going to be in Egypt. Now, I've set a goal for the Eagle team, and Alton and I are burning to get it going. Next year, where some of them get their international bonuses and all that in Cape Town, and we said they're going to be a lot more of our Eagle team downlines achieving success and getting those bonuses in 2026 And 2027, wherever the company is going to take us then, God willing, it's not in my hands, it's in his hands. And I'll tell you, saying, we want people to hear their stories and hear what the Eagle Team stands for. You see, Eagle Team is different. When you wear that blue Eagle Team shirt with the badge on, it says, in God we trust. And we want people, when they see that, to see people of integrity, people who care,
Vous
people who
savez,
uplift other
l'équipe
people,
des Aigles est
who
différente.
develop
Quand
people,
nous portons
if they love
ces
and they're
t-shirts
caring
avec
and they're
cet aigle dessus et
sincerity
nous
and they're
disons
honesty, that's how I want
que
people to see the
nous
Eagle
croyons en
Team.
Dieu,
And when we get to be
nous
big
voulons
functions, the other teams will see
démontrer ici que
why
quand les
God
gens voient
blesses
cela,
us,
qu'ils voient des
right?
personnes
And
intègres,
eventually it
des
will rub
personnes
off on a
honnêtes,
lot
des
of other
personnes
people. So
engagées,
we always got to remember we're
et
the
qu'ils voient
example
pourquoi
and
est-ce que
let's
Dieu nous
be to
bénit.
everyone else. So
Parce que nous
I want
faisons
to
des choses,
wrap
nous
up this
semons dans la
meeting
vie des autres.
right now and I want to encourage you, right?
Donc, je vais finir
And
cette
I'll
réunion
tell
en
you
vous
about a success
encourageant.
story which I'm going to come in right now and share with you. This lady started in
Je vais vous
1974 in the
partager
business.
cette histoire,
Took
l'histoire
3 or
d'une femme
4
qui a
months to
commencé
eventually find the
en
money.
1974.
She eventually sponsored someone in Cape Town area, and that person sponsored somebody from Johannesburg. That one
Elle a
happened to
sponsorisé
meet
quelqu'un à
somebody
Cape
from
Town,
Uganda.
qui a sponsorisé quelqu'un à
Somewhere, I don't know
Johannesburg,
where, maybe
qui a
referred me,
sponsorisé
I'm not
quelqu'un
sure.
d'autre en Ouganda.
And the lady in Uganda,
Et la
the
femme en
lady
Ouganda,
eventually sponsored people in Tanzania. That was
elle a
Ayub and
sponsorisé
Dora Juma.
d'autres personnes
Ran a
en
massive
Tanzanie.
business, right, in Tanzania. And that Tanzania is an incredibly successful and big business today. I admire
Et
them
en
all.
Tanzanie, maintenant,
And
il y a
that
un grand business
lady
qui prospère.
earned money out of this business.
Cette
I
femme-là
actually
a eu de
went and stayed
l'argent
with Dora at times in Tanzania,
de ce
working with
business.
the business and helping them. And she eventually got to the stage, maybe the last 6 years of life, where she couldn't really be that active with the business, okay?
Elle est arrivée à un
And
niveau, elle n'arrivait plus à être très active
and
dans le
moved from a
business.
house into a retirement village, into a
Elle a
home.
quitté de sa, on l'a
And
menée de
eventually
sa
she
maison
passed on, but
à
she
une
died
maison de
healthy
retraite.
at 94 years old.
Elle est
On
plus
his
tard morte,
products,
elle est morte en
and
bonne
she
santé,
actually died
en
wealthy.
94 ans.
And that's exciting. I'm very excited about that. That we
C'est
could play
quelque
a
chose qui,
part
rend,
in someone's
qui
life
me rend
like that.
pour
That
lequel je
made a
suis content.
difference to a
Que
lot of
quelqu'un
other
soit
people.
mort en
So I want to
santé.
encourage you tonight.
Ça fait une
Excited about what
différence
you got. Get
de la
excited
façon
about the Neo Life business.
dont les gens
It's exciting.
sont
It's
constamment
an
malades.
exciting adventure. They're always
Alors
things.
soyez contents de ce que vous faites.
Right on the edge. Keep us. Yeah, you can't believe.
Neolife nous garde en santé, nous garde prospères.
When we started,
Nous ne sommes plus aujourd'hui là où nous étions quand nous avons commencé. Donc nous sommes contents de là où nous allons, là où vous allez avec ce business, là où Neolife nous amène et de l'équipe des aides. Alors soyez contents, soyez enthousiastes par rapport à ce que vous faites. Nous allons continuer de rendre disponible tout ce qu'on peut, des petites vidéos, des documents pour vous encourager.
And also, when you take off a Eagle website, don't take everything. Have a look and see if it will help you.
Également, quand vous partez sur le site, ne ramassez pas tout. Prenez le temps de vérifier et de prendre ce qui va vous aider.
You know, supermarket method, when you go into a supermarket to buy groceries, you don't take everything on the rack. You look at this.
Quand vous partez au supermarché, vous ne prenez pas tout ce qui est sur l'étalage, vous choisissez ce que vous voulez prendre. Donc, c'est important de faire des choix. Je vous remercie pour votre temps. Et j'espère que vous allez commencer à mettre en pratique les choses que nous avons partagées.
They will be loaded, so you can check with your upline how to get them. Okay? And they're just available there for the Eagle Team people. It's not a
Et les enregistrements de cette réunion seront disponibles afin que cela puisse vous aider encore après.
And it'll help you. And I look forward to meeting you somewhere in the Neolife world at some other
J'attends
convention, maybe
de vous
theology
rencontrer
function
dans
somewhere
le
in
monde de
Africa,
Néolife
whatever it is.
quelque
We want to
part en
thank you
Afrique
for that.
ou
And before
partout
I
ailleurs.
go, you see, Alton, me especially, we both African. I'll share something with you quickly. As a youngster growing up outside of Port Elizabeth on a farm, I had 4 little black guys I played with, right from 2-year-old. So when I started talking, I wasn't talking English. I was talking Xhosa, it's Mandela's language. Okay, and I'll speak it fluently. And I grew up
Quand
with
j'ai
them.
commencé à
I grew up
parler,
in their houses.
parce que je n'ai pas une grande éducation, je ne parlais pas en anglais, je parlais dans ma langue maternelle.
We had a lot of fun. So my heart is in Africa. I've got business all over the world, but
Et j'ai beaucoup appris au travers de ce business. Et je me réjouis de cela.
I can do far more good here than anywhere else. I've got in America, there's a guy, African guy, married to American lady, Louis Smith, diamond up there, doing an incredible job. And he's done what I could not even think of doing. So that's a goal I want you to understand. Get people that are better than you. Work with them, develop them, and excite them.
Donc, prenez des gens, développez-les, et vous verrez de grandes et merveilleuses choses vont se produire. Souvenez-vous qu'aujourd'hui, c'est le premier jour du restant de votre vie. Qu'est-ce que vous allez en faire? C'est à vous de le saisir, d'aller là-dehors et de travailler. Afin que les générations après vous viennent vous dire merci. Merci pour ce que vous avez fait. Merci à tout le monde ce soir. Que Dieu vous bénisse. Je vous souhaite beaucoup de succès et de continuer à impacter les villes là dehors. Que Dieu vous bénisse.